All right, just got to the Swan and Dolphin, staying here for the first time. Let's take a look. All right, when we walk in, we have two queen beds, kind of snug against the wall here. It's very clean looking. Are there more lights? There are more lights. It's very clean looking. Nice modern backboard there, headboard. Nice blue, very modern room, very bright. You have some nice artwork here, very modern art. Then over here, coming on, we'll turn this light on here. Two here, gets a one USB charger, phone, alarm clock. They give you some waters down below and some coffee. I don't know, there's a coffee maker there. Where do you make coffee? Oh, it's over here. Okay. And then you have a sitting chair and a little desk. We're only here for 2 nights. Let's look at our view. No balconies at the Swan. Maybe at the Dolphin. And that's our view. We're looking at the boardwalk villas. You can see the Skyliner and the waterway to Hollywood Studios. Over here, you can see Tower Hotel and Hollywood Studios, and then the parking lot. Nice little desk area. Oh, there might be a refrigerator. Oh yeah, we get a refrigerator here. Little small little refrigerator. Got some waters in there for us, which I will probably drink. There's some tissue here. Here's our Mr. Coffee maker, which I'll probably just get coffee on the way out. Ice maker, and then another light here. Let's check out the bathroom. All right. And I believe this is Wyndham Marriott, so it kind of has that look. It's got like the recessed lighting with the mirror. Hello, that's me. Nice ceramic sink, stainless steel, some towels there. It's a nice spa, kind of bamboo looking sink. And in here we have a luggage rack and a robe, bathrobe, a pillow, some hangers, ironing board, and of course the safe. Moving in here is this another sink and a shower with a tub. So the sink, same recessed lighting. Another bamboo with plenty of towels. It's a nice touch. Toilet paper. You have your commode. And then this is the shower. Some soaps. Bath mat. Pretty nice. That's a quick room tour of the Swan and Dolphin. This is our room for the next 2 nights. It's like a Marriott vacation. Last night we stayed at the Element property. Tonight we're staying at the Swan and Dolphin. Oh yeah, and the carpet has swirls in it. I don't know if these are considered the heavenly beds anymore, but they feel pretty firm. I think they'll be nice and comfortable. Overall, not a bad room. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick little room tour. If you enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up. And remember, I have plenty of other room tours. Usually anytime we go on vacation, I will do a tour of the room. So go ahead and check out some of my other videos. I'll put some down below. I'll put some cards up above. And yeah. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, dudes.